I think you'll enjoy being a robot.
Let's see if you can fight better than you can sing.
You're even more gorgeous in person than you are on the holo, Agent Clank. I've got a few secrets of my own that might need your special investigation.
Let's do it one last time.
I have a better idea. Why don't you ask him yourself?
What is it?
I have a present for you, Snicky Wookums.
I told you to stop!